Good morning. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar Chaudhary, in charge, Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, College of Agriculture Science, TM dear students. Today we discuss on ideotype breeding, which is the part of crop improvements in early crops. So, what is the definition of ideotype breeding? What is the principles of this topic? So, today we discuss on its definition, introduction of ideotype. Term ideotype was first proposed by Ronald scientist in 1967. And ideotype is a biological model which is the expected to perform or behave in a predictable manner within a defined environment. It compresses of various phenological, and psychological traits which contribute to yield greater quantity of grain, fiber, oil, or other product when developed a cultivar as compared to pre-existing. Such a yield of a quantity of traits that result from interaction of the different morphological and physiological traits. Ideotype breeding can be defined as a method of crop improvement which is used to enhance the genetic yield potential through the genetic manipulation of individual plant characters. Concept of the ideotype breeding is very vital and play a vital role to breeder because it provides the idea of best performing plant in a given environment. It provides a picture of important traits that should be learned in crop. How to develop an ideotype? How can develop the ideotypes? Normally, we develop the ideotype breeder should know about the different components of yield-related traits, such a mode of inheritance, interaction between each other and the correlation with yield and its related traits. If a trait is positively corrected with yield, it will increase with a increase of that traits and vice versa. Similarly, correlation between yield and its related traits is also very important in ideotype development because of two traits are positively correlated to yield but have negative correlation with one or other, both cannot be improved. Steps in ideotype breeding. So number one steps is ideotype breeding consists for important steps. Number one, development of conceptual model. The value of various morphological and physiological traits are specified to develop a conceptual model. For example, value of plant height, number of branches, primary branches, secondary branches, maturity, duration, leaf size, number of leaves, angle of leaves, and different type of like weight of wall, length of silhouette, different made to the achieve this model. And number next, selection of base material. So first of all, we select the base material, and it is the highly required to the selection of base material is important step after development of the conceptual model of hydrotype. Genotypes to be used in a devising a model plant type should have broad genetic base and wider adaptability. Genotype for the plant structure, maturity, duration, leaf size, and angle of the resistance are selected from the global gene pool on the concerned crop species. Genotypes resistance to tolerate to drought, soil salinity, different things. Number third, incorporation of desirable traits. The next important step in combining of various morphological and physiological traits from different selected genotypes into single genotype. Various breeding procedures, namely single cross, three-way cross, multiple cross, pack cross, composite crossing, alternating, mutation breeding, heterosis breeding are used for the development of ideal plant type of field. Number 4 one is selection of ideal plant type. Plant combining desirable morphological and physiological traits are selected in the segregating population and intermediate to achieve the desirable plant type. Morphological features are judged through visual observation and physiological parameters are recorded with the help of statistical estimates and screening for the resistance to drought, soil salinity, alkalinity, disease and under controlled conditions. Next feature of the ideotype breeding. Number first is emphasis on the individual trait. In ideotype breeding, emphasis is given on individual morphological and physiological traits which enhance the yield. The value of each character is specified before interacting the breeding one. And number 2 is includes yield enhance traits. Various plant character to be included in the ideotype are identified through the correlation analysis. Only those characters which are positively associated with yield and including the model. And number third one is explodes physiological variation. And number 4 is slow progress. Gene are the heritable not traits, so an exploration of gene is the main factor. Ideotype breeding makes use genetically controlled physiological variation in increasing the crop yield. It is totally goes around on the crop yield. It means we want to increase the yield. And slow progress. Ideotype breeding is very slow progress process to achieve the goals. It is the includes various steps and very key selection for the development of improved types. Number 5 selection. That is the normal process in ideotype breeding selection focused on individual plant character which enhance the yield. Designing of model. In ideotype breeding, the phenotype of new variety to be developed is specified in terms of morphological and physiological traits in advance. Number 7, interdisciplinary approach. Ideotype breeding is in true sense an interdisciplinary approach. It is involved scientists from the disciplines of genetics, breeding, ecological, pathological, and entomological research. A continuous process. Ideotype breeding is a continuous process because new ideotypes have to develop to meet changing and increasing the requirements. Thank you so much.
We are